I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Bit form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the Bit form dashboard. App setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to your Bit form dashboard. Under the actions, click on 3 dots and go to the responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bit form. Thanks for watching.